everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Encode the Logic. Hope you all are doing good. In today's session, we are going to discuss about features of Python. We all know that Python is everyone's favorite because it has amazing features which attracted everyone into this coding. Let's quickly start with the first feature, that was simple. Yes, Python is very simple because it uses high-level language. High-level language is the language which will be understood by the human. So that's why it is very simple. And the Python is easy to learn. We can learn Python very easily. And the Python is versatile. Python is a versatile language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Why it was called as general purpose programming language? Because the Python is used in several domains like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, game development, web scraping, etc. etc. So that's why the Python is a versatile language. And it's a free and open source language. Python is available freely. We have so many online compilers we can use, and there is no need to purchase it. There is no need to keep our money to it in order to use it. So it is a free and open source. It openly available. And it is a high level language, as I said, which is understandable by the human. That's why it is simple. And it is interactive language. It is very interactive with the coder, the programmer. That's why it is a interactive language. And it is a portable language. So let's understand this. So let's understand why it is portable. So this is the Python code with .py extension. This is converted to Python bytecode internally, and this Python bytecode can be executed in any kind of system. Either it can be executed in Windows PVM or Unix PVM, Mac PVM. So whenever we install any version of Python, then internally we get the PVM also, nothing but Python virtual machine. This Windows PVM will be specific to the Windows only, and the Unix PVM will be specific to the Unix only, Unix system only, and similarly to the Mac also. So let us say I executed my program in Windows, and it will generate a Python bytecode. Now I carry this Python bytecode and I will execute in some other system. Like I can execute this in Unix also, and I can execute in Mac also. And similarly, I executed a program in Unix and it will generate me a bytecode, and I can carry this bytecode and execute it in the Windows and also in the Mac. The similar for the Mac also. So that's why it is portable. That bytecode is easily carryable from one system to another system. That's why it is portable. And the Python is object-oriented language. So which will be based on object and classes. The best example of a class is, let us take our classroom itself, which consists of student. So let's name the class as the student class, and each and every student. So let us say these are the students. So in Python, we call them as the objects. So these are the objects, and each and every object, nothing but the student, have their unique identity. So we can differentiate them by their name, but sometimes names might matches. So that's why we assign them a roll number. That roll number is unique to everyone, right? So this class student will have a name and a roll number, and it might have the students might have some responsibilities. The set name and set roll number are the works. In Python, this complete thing will be called as a class, and the students are objects, and this name and roll number is the variables, and the set name of set roll number, the works, is called as the methods. So a class is a user defined blueprint. This is something like a blueprint or a prototype from which the objects are created. So from this class only the objects are created. In the object oriented, we will be having OOPS concept. In Python, we have class, objects, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation. Similarly, another example also. So a car is a class, and it has the model, color, and brand as the variables, and the speed of and size of is the methods. So here the model, color, brand are different from different cars. And the object is an instance of a class. What is meant by an instance? Instance means it's a kind of child. Object is an instance of a class which will come from the class. These objects are come from the class. So as of now, I don't want to go deeper into it. When the time comes, I will definitely go into it. So, and the Python is an interpreted language. As I said, the conversion of the high level language into the low level language will be taken care by the interpreter. So that's why it is an interpreted language. And Python is dynamic. Python is a dynamically typed language. Basically, the languages are divided into two types. One is statically typed language and also dynamically typed languages. And Python is a dynamically typed language. See, whenever we write a C programming, if you observe, if we want to declare any variable, for suppose if we want to declare an integer, we will write int a. And in Java also, we do the same. And if it is a float, we declare by float. And if it is string, we will declare by string. But if you observe, we haven't declared anything like this while we writing the Python program. We haven't declared like int yes, string yes, and float yes. We haven't declared, right? Then how this program will execute? Because we need to declare it, right? Say I have a string like ABC, some string. So then how the interpreter will know this S is an integer variable and A is a string variable? How it will know without declaring that it was an int and a string? So the Python was providing an amazing feature that was dynamically typed language. The interpreter internally interprets the line, and after checking the value, since it was an integer, it will assign the data type to the variable internally. It will internally do int s equal to 5. And for this also, string a equal to abc. The interpreter handles internally. So that's why it is dynamically typed language. And the C and Java, we need to declare it. So that why we need to do it by ourselves. That way it was statically typed languages. I hope you get it. And next one is extensible libraries. So we have n number of libraries available in Python. So many libraries are available. This is also one of the amazing feature of the Python. This will make these libraries makes the Python programmers work from easy to very easy level. So we need to import these libraries into our Python file and we need to use them. So Python is embedded. So Python is very feasible language. We can embed this Python code into the C or C++ code. And also we can embed the C or C++ code into the Python also. So that's why it is an embedded language. And easy maintenance. Python is easy to maintain, very easy to maintain. And it is very secure and it is robust. Robust means strong. How it was strong? Because it is secure. If it is secure, it was strong. And also the Python interpreter take care of garbage collection. Garbage collection means the removal of unwanted memory locations from the main memory. So that will be taken care by the interpreter itself. So that's why it is robust. And multi-threaded. Basically, the Python main code will be divided into multiple threads. And thread is a very lightweight process. This multi-threading is mainly used to achieve the parallelism in the program, right? So Python has an amazing feature of multi-threaded also. And garbage collection. So that's why it is robust. Garbage collection means to remove the unwanted memory locations from the main memory or the RAM. So that's it about the features of Python. I hope you like this video. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!